Leak test, vacuumise and gas charge the water cooler.
Dear viewers, in this exercise, you are going to learn how to test the leakage in the system, how to evacuate the system, and how to charge the gas to the system.
Tools required: two-stage vacuum pump, tongue tester, adjustable spanner, double-ended spanner, ring spanner, cylinder key, manifold gauge, thermometer, cutting plier and wire stripper. Equipments: water cooler at all parts, weighing machine. Materials: dry nitrogen with regulatory valve, safety goggles, hand gloves, wiping cloth, insulation tape, soap solution, R134A refrigerant, charging hose, dummy nuts, T connector. Leak test the system and rectify the defects in the system. Place the unit in a more workable place. Before leak testing the unit with dry nitrogen, refer the nameplate of unit or the manual. Recommending range of leak test pressure to be carried out. Make ready dry nitrogen cylinder of 146.2 kg per centimeter square pressure. Connect charging line of unit to other end of hose with service shut-off valve. Connect one end of the long hose to the outlet of the dry nitrogen cylinder safety valve. Install a high pressure gauge to pressure regulating valve. Open the dry nitrogen slowly to build up a pressure of a medium pressure from 2.11 kg per centimeter square to 7.03 kg per centimeter square. Read the pressure drop after an hour. Test the unit for leaks using soap solution. If the unit holds pressure of 12 kg per centimeter square constantly for 48 hours, now the system is safe to operate. Evacuate the system. Remove dummy nut from charging line outlet. By opening service valve connected to the charging line slowly, purge out the dry nitrogen filled in the system. Allow all the dry nitrogen to vent to atmosphere, leaving behind around 0.21 kg per centimeter square. Provide T connection at charging line in order to connect to manifold gauge. Connect one manifold gauge to two-stage rotary deep vacuum pump fitted with oil ballast. Close manifold line connected to charging cylinder. Before starting the vacuum pump, check oil level. Start vacuum pump and let the vacuum pump run for half an hour to warm up vacuum pump oil. In order to release water vapor submerged in vacuum pump oil through oil ballast. Now, open the service valve at the charging line and the manifold gauge slowly. Read the gauge pressure coming down from 50 mm of Hg to 760 mm of Hg. Run the vacuum pump for at least 12 to 24 hours. Close service valve of the charging line. Continue the exercise for charging refrigerant. Charging the gas to the system. Connect the water cooler main heads to compressor to the test board for starting the system. Start charging refrigerant R134A to the system by slowly opening R134A cylinder valve. By losing hose connected to manifold, purge little R134A gas to remove unwanted gas or moisture. Tighten hoses connected charging cylinder and charging line service valve. Open charging line service valve and allow refrigerant to be charged to the system. While charging, note the gauge pressure. After charging the unit with R134A refrigerant, close service valve connected to the charging line. Pinch the charging line and crimp it twice. Leak the test using soap solution. Seal the crimped charging end using brazing torch. Load the storage tank of water cooler. Start the system.
Dear viewers, in this exercise you have learned to do the leak test, vacuumise and the charge the gas into the system. With this, we have come to an end of this exercise.